All rise. Judge Visibly court is now in session. Judge, this is case number 1004, Sauer versus Moffitt.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However, that did not. We broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay.
All right, everyone, let's jump into this courtroom showdown. The video opens with Judge Vonda B presiding over a unique case, Sauer versus Moffitt. Miss Sauer is seeking child support from her ex-fiancé, George Moffitt, who legally adopted her 9-year-old son Travis during their engagement. But here's the twist. George isn't Travis's biological father, and the couple never got married. The tension is already rising. Will George be held financially responsible, or does he have a legal escape route? Let's dive into this emotionally charged and legally complex case.
Any objection to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid Travis he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did, yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
Okay.
We were intending on marrying. I had a panic attack, Your Honor, a month before the wedding, and I ran out.
Okay.
I left, and we never got married. I don't make a whole lot of money, and
I'm not following you.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you, and I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Probably?
Have you ever done something that you maybe freaked out about? And
yeah, sitting here listening to your story is freaking me out.
Okay.
Miss Sauer takes the stand and explains that during their engagement, George adopted her son, Travis. Even though their relationship ended, she believes he should still support the child. George doesn't agree. He acknowledges the adoption, but argues that he rarely sees Travis anymore and doesn't earn enough to contribute financially. Things get more intense when George shares that he had a panic attack before the wedding and walked away. This emotional revelation adds a whole new layer to the case. Is George dodging responsibility, or is there more to his story?
I'm a nice guy. I deliver the mail, you know?
Okay.
I in this neighborhood, actually.
Thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation to support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Just scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted...
Mean to him? I mean, what's the... I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
George's defense? Let's just say it's all over the place. He talks about delivering mail and being a nice guy, but the judge cuts through it quickly. She reminds him that under the law, Travis is still his son, and that comes with responsibilities. George's past emotional struggles and panic attacks are brought up again, but the judge isn't convinced. Then, Miss Sauer softens. She reveals that Travis misses George and still asks about him at night. It's a touching moment that shifts the atmosphere. Is there still love here, or is this just about child support?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son, and, and I want you to be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about you and Travis.
Do you want to?
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and...
Just when you think things couldn't get more dramatic, the judge throws in a surprise. Why don't you two just get married? George jumps at the idea, even revealing he still has the engagement ring. Miss Sauer is hesitant, but after a moment, she agrees. Right there in the courtroom, Judge Vonda B officiates their wedding. With that, the child support case is dismissed. In Texas, once a couple is married, they're not required to pay child support to each other. It's a rare, heartwarming moment that proves sometimes love can win out over legal battles.
Get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support. Sounds good, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so simple.
Keely, are you?
I still have the ring.
I mean, we could get married right now.
You can do that?
Of course.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sure.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
Okay.
This is an ending we don't see very often in this court. So once you guys are married, no one pays child support, okay? So if there's nothing further from either of you, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Following the unexpected wedding, Judge Vonda B explains the legal reasoning. Under Texas law, married parents aren't required to pay child support to one another. This case becomes a powerful example of how the courtroom can sometimes bring people together rather than drive them apart. The video ends with an invitation to viewers. Share your own stories and subscribe for more real-life courtroom drama. It's a reminder that family court isn't just about laws. It's about people, emotions, and sometimes surprising new beginnings.